Alright, so I'm gonna do a quick little video. I don't want to get the whole box, assembly and all that bullshit in. So I got right to the chase like I told y'all in the last video. This is the new RXF 2021 150cc. And to the side of it, we got the 125 Coolster cc. So y'all can see the height difference. I believe the RXF, I got the 14 rear, 17-inch front. Carburetor's fresh, everything new. I didn't even take the fucking stickers off yet. Pretty good. Kickstart. We got the newer looking kill switch, and then you got your little on and off switch right there. Turn that guy on. No bargain on the startup and nothing. So we did everything with that. I changed the oil immediately, unlike I did the 125 Coolster, but I'm gonna do the 125 later. Full tank of gas, so I'm gonna go ahead and kick her up for y'all. I don't have anyone to hold the camera, so I'm gonna kickstart both of these for you guys actually. All right. So go ahead and put the gas on. Yeah. So let's see what we got. One kick. She goes. One kick. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the throttle for you guys. Next purchase is gonna be a four-wheeler, but before I do the four wheels and all that stuff, I'm gonna do some videos of me riding, so I'm gonna put that in the next video. I'm gonna go ahead and kill this one real quick. Let's see how the 125 is doing. Whew. She's a little dusty. Hold on. Go ahead and turn my gas on. And I've noticed, because I rode both, I'm only about like 5'9". Even though the RXF is a bigger bike, it's a lot more comfortable. Like, even when I'm riding with like one hand for a beginner rider, it just feels more comfortable all around. So, just to put that out there. All right, choke up. Let's see what she does. Wow. Oh, okay. A little stuttering. Maybe. It's a little warm outside. Let me put the choke down a little bit. I think that's what the problem is. There we go. At least you want to run open. And we leaking gas. Whoa. Okay. So we gotta work into that. But that shouldn't even affect anything. Hold on, let's put it down a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and check this out. See something. Man, I'm leaking gas like fuck, so I got one solution for that. Let me see. Okay, I know how to fix this, don't worry. Looks like my cylinder's a little fucked up. So, easy fix is I'm gonna get my air pump, hook it up. Alright, I'm back. I got it idling. So what I had to do was I took the air pump right here. I had an extra screw that goes into the carburetor. Right up there. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little hose up there. Yeah, right there. Follow my finger right up there. Okay. So I hooked the hose up to the tip of this, and I pumped some air into it. And what that did was it caused gas to leak out of here. And once I did that, I'm getting less of a bog as I let it warm up, which is good. I put the choke down a little bit more. It's warming up more. See that? Yeah, so it wants to go. So I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit more. I'm gonna cool out for now. Alright, I'll see y'all on the next video, man. I'm gonna test fry both of these and y'all let me know what y'all think.